Yeah, hi all. I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So, today we will cover Java methods. Let's get started. A method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. It only runs when it is called. Okay. You can pass data known as parameter into a method. Methods are used to perform certain action. They are also known as function. Why use method? To reuse code, define the code once and use it multiple times or many times. Now, like how to create a method. So, like this is a syntax: public class main is the declaration of a class. And here we are defining a static void my method. Any name you can give. Okay, here open the bracket, close bracket, and curly brace. You can give the code. Okay, a method must be declared within a class. It is used to define with the name of method followed by parenthesis. Java provides some predefined methods such as system.out.println to print anything, but you can also create your own method by to perform certain actions. Okay, my method is the name. Okay, of the method. Static means that the method belongs to the main class, not an object of the main class. Okay, you okay, and how to access the method through object we will discuss this later. Okay, void means it will not return any value. Okay, how to call a method. Now main dot this method name, like this also you can call a method. To call a method in Java, you need to write a method name followed by two parentheses and semicolon. Okay. In the following method, my method is to print a text. Okay. This here I got executed. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. Then you get some understanding. Like here we have defined one method and we are calling this method by its name in the main class. It is in the same class, so we are calling by only method name. And I got excited sprint. Like this, we are can call this method by a method name. Okay. Now this will execute three times because three times method is called. Same. See, three times is printed. Three times we are written a method to call it. Here also we can write the method name in main method so that we can call it. Okay, now we will see the see correct. Now we will move to Java method parameter. Information has been passed to method as a parameter. Parameter acts as a variable inside the method. Parameter are specified after the method name inside the parenthesis. You can add as many you want. Okay, parameters. Okay, separated by comma. Now we will see this example. What we have done? We have given one parameter f name. Different name we can print and okay. So how? We have given f name here plus this. Okay. So my method, this name we are giving and then this will be added. Okay. So this first name and this second name is added. First name and this second name is added. And space is also given, so space is there between. Okay. Multiple parameter also we can give this and age. Like will print it like first name is this is and then we printing age. Okay, like the space here and here there being some spaces there. So like all the three will be printed. Okay, now how we can return the value. So public class main and string, this is our method. In text we have taken. Now we want to return 5 plus x. Whatever value we will give here, it will plus and it will that will be returned. Okay, and this will be not void int type because we are returning int value. Okay, my method 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, so 8 is returned. So like this you can return the value. Now two value if you want to add. Okay, then we have given x and y here in parameter, and here you are printing int type. This you have done. My method 5 comma 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, so 8 is printed. Like this you can also do with two parameters. Now you want to like store this value somewhere and print it. So same method we have given int type parameters x y, but I want to store this in z, and then I want to print z value. So we have stored this value in z, and we are calling the 8 value is printed. Okay, method with if and else, we will try this also. So static void check age int age. Now we will put here age when we call. So we will check like 20 is less than 18, then x is denied, you are not enough. So this condition is false, it will not go here. Else this is, so this will be printed. Okay, so we can see this line is printed. Okay, so like this it works. Now static void main method, first variable is f name of type string f name we have given here. F name we will be printing so that the value John space U will be printed. Now you can see is correct. So like this you can do it. Okay, if you have any question about Java method parameters, then you can connect with me. You can comment on the video. I will connect and will explain you in more better way. Okay, if you have any question, please comment. If please do like, subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.